All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find your stream key when you want to stream to YouTube. Now, YouTube is constantly moving stuff around, so it's good to do an updated video tutorial. This is going to be for 2022, and to access this information, all you have to do is go to the upper right-hand corner to the little plus symbol create camera icon, and go ahead and click on that, and then click on the Go Live option. This will take you to the Go Live panel, previously accessed via the panel for your dashboard. And we're just going to skip through this pop-up window that shows up here. And we're going to go to the main section of the streaming dashboard. If you go to the left-hand side, you'll see it's split into three sections: Stream, Webcam, and Manage. We're just going to go to Stream. And then here on the main page, you can see information about your stream. You've got the stream key type, the stream keys right here. You've got the web URL or the server that you can put into your streaming software if you need to, that tells it where to send the stream, and then the backup server just in case that is not working. And then that's it. You just hit copy here. Put your stream key into your streaming software, either OBS or Streamlabs or whatever, and then you should be good to go. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been where to find your YouTube stream key for 2022. Hope you found this helpful, and bye, everybody, and have a good one.